guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150 that generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you need to find where the heated and ventilated seats fuse is located, guys, you may have only heated or you may have heated and ventilated. You need to check two fuses, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, why it's important to test fuses, and where you can buy cheap fuses and relays. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 right here. You guys have 2 fuse boxes. The first fuse box that we'll be working on will be the one right under the hood. You open your hood, this is your car battery. Right behind it, guys, right there you have a fuse box. That's the cover. When you open that fuse box, it will look just like that. Now, before we continue, guys, let me explain quick why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now you can see you have different kinds of fuses, right, and relays. And if you're stuck in a small town or something like that, you may have a hard time finding one of those specific fuses and relays, or they can be really expensive. We'll recommend to keep some spares in the glove box, guys, for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The first fuse that we need to check for the heated and ventilated seats is in that fuse panel here, in that middle row. And if you come from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, that third fuse, okay, which is known as fuse number 28, that fuse will need to be checked. Then you have another fuse that's inside, guys, your cabin on your F-150 in the passenger footwell right here in the kick panel, guys. You remove the plastic. There is one plastic cover that has a fuse on top of it. You remove it, you open it, and you see your fuse box, okay, just like that. Now, the fuse here that you will need to check, guys, if you come on this row right here, fuse number 36, that 15M fuse, guys, okay, will need to be checked right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.